Right, let's have a look what we got here. Right, front 2 inches, back 1.5 inches, 7/8 inch and a half up. What we need is a set of vernier. What's half of 7/8? Right, I've done that, but I've done this bit. Actually I want it on the bottom, so I've gone right through, so now we don't have to take this out and re-alter it at all. It's all set, ready to go. So now the top one, this bit, we want 1.25 inches. Well, that was 7/8. So from here to there we wanted 1.5 inches, which is there. Two inches deep, but 1.25 inches wide. 1.25 inches wide is taking that out an extra 1/8 of an inch either side. Everyone considered him the coward of the county. So what we got to do, we got to take 1/8 of an inch of either side of here. So that's what we got. As rough as it fucking looks, but that's what we got. You know, you're going to get burning, obviously. What the fuck do you think I am? Always find the rustiest piece of steel you can possibly find by the look of it. This is the other piece. We're going to set that up now. And while we're setting that up, we can have this chopped off to the right length. Now the trouble is sorting that off. My blade in the bandsaw is as blunt as a butcher. I don't know what that means, but I'm saying it anyway. So I don't know if it'll saw this. Well, it will saw it, but it might take about fucking 4 weeks. So you're gonna have to put up with the noise in a minute. So this is the one I did with a set of Stilsons. We all know what Stilsons are, and as you see, I completely utterly destroyed it. Now this one will fit over there, right? And then it will eventually go down onto there. And then the little one will be coming out of there. Okay, all the measurements are there if you want to do it yourself, but then you obviously do that, right? And the little spanner is for this type of bottle, the little bottle, because sometimes you don't want to cut the guard off. You want to leave that guard on for something or other. So now we can just undo that. Plan being, that one will then fit into that one for storage, and we'll put a bar through there, and they'll be hanging up for when you want them. If you do a lot of bottles like me, then perhaps you might just want a set of them. So we need a bar now to go through there. And I know I ain't got one. I got to do that one. And I'm going to do that one. Okay, that's my plans. You got to draw it down when you get older because you forget everything.